Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to math today. I'm super excited to continue talking about PEMDAS. And as we went and we looked at the sandwich and how we do things in order, it's really important for us as we go throughout life that we learn that sometimes things do have to be in order. You put on your sock before your shoe. You have to follow specific rules if you want to make a delicious sandwich, and so on. And so there's a lot of rhyme and reason for that. So one of the items that we're going to be focusing on today, again, is this acronym PEMDAS. And who can tell me what it is? Yes, you. Yes. Exactly. Yep. It is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Exactly. And what is the mnemonic device to help us remember it, that little cheat sheet? Exactly. Everybody say it together. Ready? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Perfect. You guys are so good at this. So yesterday we focused on addition and subtraction when it comes to PEMDAS. Well, today we're actually going to be covering multiplication and division, which is really exciting. And there's a lot of reasons why you can use this. And I gave an example yesterday about purchasing items like cereal. But there's a lot of real life lessons, and we'll talk a little bit more about that later. But for right now, let's go ahead and, again, the order of operations, do anything in parentheses, then you do any exponents, and we follow it left to right, just like we're reading. Then any multiplication, then any division, then any addition, and then subtraction. Exactly. Subtraction is last. So let's go ahead, and we're going to start with this expression. So 15 divided by 3 times 4. So who can tell me what one we solve first? Yes, Osriel.
The parentheses.
The parentheses. And why do we do that?
Because of the order of operations.
Exactly. The order of operations, right. It's the rules that tell us which way to go. So let's go ahead and solve that. What is 3 times 4?
12.
Exactly. 12. So then we bring down the, what symbol is this?
The division symbol.
Division, and then we bring down the 15. All right, so 15 divided by 12. Well, that's just kind of a weird number, isn't it? So it's going to be what, 1.3? Exactly. All right, so next, let's go ahead and let's do this one. This will give us a better number. Okay, so we're going to do 50, which is a bigger number, divided by 2 multiplied by 5. So who can tell me what one we start with in this equation? Yes?
The parentheses.
The parentheses right here. So what is 2 times 5?
10.
Exactly. So then we bring down this symbol, which is?
The division symbol. And then we bring out down the 50.
Exactly. So what is 50 divided by 10?
5.
Exactly. Well, shall we go ahead and kind of mix up this number and see if we can change it a little? Yeah, shall we? Okay. Let's do 50. Oh, nope, I'm getting ahead of myself. 50 divided by 2 times 5. Okay. So, again, what are we starting with?
The parentheses.
The parentheses. And what is 50 divided by 2? That's right, it's 25. All right, so we did that. So now we bring down the multiplication, right, the x. And so 25 times 5. Do you guys know what that one is? How many quarters does it take to make $1?
4.
4, exactly. So we know it's just over 100. So what's 100 plus one more set of 25?
125.
Exactly. Perfect. Way to be persistent. So one more way to look at this is if we're going to follow the rules and the order of operations, let's try something a little bit trickier. All right. So let's go ahead and we're going to do this one again right up here. We're not going to add any parentheses. 15 divided by 3 times 4. 4. All right, now we don't have to worry about parentheses or exponents. So what is the one that we solve first? Yep, exactly. We do 3 times 4. All right, so that's 12. Isn't that interesting it came out with the same number? I think so, yeah. So that is one reason why it's important to solve the expressions, because if you go in the order in which they're required, you can go ahead and learn to solve all sorts of new problems. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of time. We're going to be working on our worksheet today, and then we're going to go ahead and I'll be walking around. So if you have any questions, you just let me know, okay? Thank you so much for participating today, and I really, really appreciate all of your support. Thank you.